So friends, this is my C3Pay application. As you all know, if you are working in UAE, many company uses C3Pay to give your salary in the C3Pay card. Okay, I have already transferred my salary to my home country using TapTapSend. You can also transfer your money using TapTapSend. I have made a detailed video in that, you will be getting in the I button. In this video, we'll learn how to send money to any of our friend who is using C3Pay. For this, C3Pay gives us an option. You can check here C3Pay to C3Pay, right? In order to send money to our friend who is also using C3Pay, what we just need to do, we'll just click C3Pay to C3Pay. And here all the beneficiaries will appear, and you just need to select the person whom you are going to send money. Okay, as you can check, I will select one. Here you just need to enter the amount that you are going to transfer. So I will just enter the amount is 85. Remember, if you are sending 85 of charge of 1.05, I hope this will be taken by C3Pay. After entering the amount, we'll just click on next. We just need to wait for some time. As I said, a charge of 1.05 and the total balance is 86.05. And here you just need to click on make transfer. We'll just click here. And transfer is on the way. We'll just click on done. So we'll just go to history once and check if the transfer is successful or not. I have also received a SMS from the company and I hope the transfer is successful, but then it is loading. We'll just wait for some time to check, and you can check it is successful. Transfer status, transfer is successful. Date and time is here. Amount is 85 and the VAT is 1.05. Total amount is 86.05. So the transfer that we have done from C3Pay to C3Pay inside UAE is successful. And in this way, friends, you can also transfer your balance to anyone who is using C3Pay. And as you can check, the updated balance is 0.04 and the last transaction shows 85 that has been sent to my friend. In this way, you can also send your money to any C3Pay user. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.